Good morning friends. Last lecture we have to discuss and the end of the point that is about the ionic conductivity in solid. Okay. Therefore in this lecture we have to discuss about the solid electrolytes. Okay. In this solid electrolyte, therefore the solid state chemistry is related to the ionic conductivity property of solid. Okay. Therefore we have to discuss about this subject is about the introduction of the solid state matter. Okay, therefore this solid state, it is a chemistry related to the ionic conductivity property of solid. Means solids ionic conductivity property is related to solid state chemistry. Means this solid state chemistry, it is a related to ionic conductive property of the solid. Means ionic conductive property of solid, it is also known as solid state of chemistry. Okay, therefore and the new electrochemical cells and the devices are constantly being developed that contain solid rather than liquid electrolytes. Okay, therefore in the solid electrolytes, therefore new electrochemical cells and the devices are constantly being developed. Means therefore in the solid electrolyte we have to new electrochemical cells, you prepare them, and the devices are constantly, your devices are constantly, and these devices constantly, and this is devices is developed and that contain the solid. Means the development of the devices, and that development devices is containing the solid rather than the liquid electrolytes, rather than liquid electrolytes. Okay, this is the first point of the solid electrolyte. Second point is about the solid state batteries are potentially useful because they can perform over a wide temperature range and they have long shelf life. Okay, therefore the solid state of batteries are potentially useful. Solid state battery are potentially useful because they perform over wide temperature range and they have a long shelf life. Okay, therefore your motorcycle, in the motorcycle, therefore this motorcycle is starting from the battery, it is starting from the battery. Okay, therefore this battery, it is started start the motorcycle's motor, and therefore your motorcycle is starting them. Okay, therefore this is the solid state battery. Okay, this battery is our solid state battery, and why it is used? Because its potentially it is a increases, potential is increases because they conform perform over wide range of temperature. Means the maximum temperature these solid state batteries are available, or its potential is increases by the wide range of temperature, wide range of temperature. Therefore your solid state battery, it is a it is potential is increases, and its shelf life, the battery's shelf life, it also increases by the wide range of temperature potentiality. Okay, this is the solid state batteries, and this is all about this solid electrolyte. Okay, therefore the solid electrolytes in toys, in watches, in cardiac pacemakers, and for electrical vehicles, it is increasingly need lightweight, small but powerful batteries for variety of uses. Okay, therefore these solid electrolytes and that the solid state of batteries are used in the toys. Okay, you have to also known about the different types of the toys, it containing the batteries, and that batteries are the solid state battery. Okay, therefore in watches, okay, in watches you have to also the small cells. Okay, these small cells, it is a used as a battery in the watches. Then in the cardiac pacemaker, okay, cardiac pacemaker, it is a useful in the heart attack heartbeat patients, in the heartbeat patient. Therefore the cardiac pacemaker, it is useful for the pumping the heart, pumping the heart by this cardiac pacemaker. Okay, in this cardiac pacemaker, therefore solid state battery, it is also used in cardiac pacemaker. And for the electrical vehicle, okay, therefore in this day to day life, okay, therefore the electrical cars, electrical vehicles, it is available on the roads. Okay, available on the roads, and therefore this is the electrical vehicles. Okay, this vehicle on the solid state batteries. Okay, the starting from solid state battery. Okay, and therefore this electrical vehicle is formed. Then increasingly we need the lightweight, small but powerful battery. Okay, therefore you have to increasing this solid electrolyte, it is useful for increasingly need the lightweight battery. Okay, these watches battery are the lightweight batteries, then the small but powerful battery, then the small but powerful battery. Okay, therefore you have to know about the watches battery, it is a small and therefore but it is powerful, a powerful battery, but it is powerful battery and it is a for variety of uses, it is for variety of uses such as computer memory, computer memory chips. Okay, the computer memory chips you have to use the batteries, then the laptop computer. Okay, laptops and computer it containing the batteries, and this battery it is provided to the electricity to the laptops and computer, therefore this battery are used. Then the mobile phones and the devices, some electrical devices you have to know about the mobile phones. Okay, the mobile phone containing the batteries, this battery is useful for your mobile is startup and the display is on. Okay, therefore the battery is used. And then the devices, some electrical devices, in these electrical devices therefore you have to use the batteries. Okay, this is all about the solid electrolytes. Then the chemical sensor. Okay, chemical sensor and the electrochromic devices and the fuel cells that depend on conducting property of the solid. Okay, your chemical sensor, chemical sensors means what? Therefore some chemicals you have to touch them, some chemical we have to touch them, and therefore it is a squinching, therefore it is squinching, therefore it is a chemical sensor. And therefore the electrochromic devices, some electrochromic devices and the fuel cells that depend on conducting property of solid, means you are conducting property of solid, therefore the fuel cells and the electrochromic cell are depend them. Okay, आता means therefore the conducting property of the solid. Okay, conducting property of the solid, therefore you have to very known about the fuel cells. Okay, therefore these fuel cells are the positive and the negative charge. Okay, positive and negative charge, the example like pencil cell. Okay, therefore this pencil cell you have to use in the batteries, TV remotes. Okay, and the some toys we have to use these pencil cells. Okay, and these pencil cells it is a conducting property of solid, means in the pencil cell therefore the solids component are in this pencil cell, that is about the carbon. Okay, and that containing the conducting property, means this solid is a containing the conducting property, and therefore this electrochromic devices and the fuel cells that depend on this conducting property of solid. Okay, this is all about the solid electrolyte. Next is fast ion, fast ion conductor, that is about the oxygen ion conductor. Okay, what is the uses of fast ion conductor of the oxygen ion conductor is about they are used in the oxygen sensor such as in the exhaust of the car to monitor the oxygen partial pressure and ensure the clean burning. Okay, therefore you have to also know about the some chemicals are very hazardous chemical. Okay, therefore it is treated with the oxygen, therefore it is a flammable is maximum, flammable is maximal, because this chemical it is a react with the oxygen and therefore it is formation of oxidation reaction, and this oxidation reaction it is a exhausted or the flammable is maximally. Okay, therefore it is a oxygen sensor, that oxygen sensor such as in the exhaust of car. Okay, exhaust of cars means therefore in your cars therefore the some exhaust are in the front board of your cars. Okay, therefore this exhaust it is a CO2 is CO2 is outside of the car. Okay, in the car therefore the CO2 is a formation and this CO2 is a outside of the car, therefore this exhaust is useful, and therefore exhaust it is useful for the oxygen into the car. Okay, therefore this exhaust it is useful for oxygen's partial pressure and ensure the clean burning. Okay, ensure the clean burning means what? Some chemicals are flammable or the burning into the into with the oxygen, and its burning is cleaning by the oxygen partial pressure. Okay, by the oxygen partial pressure. This is all about the first uses of the fast ion conductor of the oxygen ion conductor. Okay, example like तुम्हाला different types of the example सांगता येईल की example like firstly the sodium metal. Okay, this sodium metal we have to put into the water, therefore it is a flammable formation. Okay, then some chemicals are useful for some chemicals. It is some chemicals like the alcohols. Okay, therefore this alcohol containing, it is a vaporize them, alcohol is vaporize them. Okay, therefore it is a ensure the clean burning by this oxygen partial pressure. Okay, then the second usage is about the membranes for oxygen separation. Membranes for oxygen separation means your oxygen separation by the membranes. Okay, then next point is the solid oxide fuel cell. Solid oxide fuel cell that produce the electricity, and it is a cleanly and efficiently from reaction of fuel such as hydrogen and air, which is use the solid electrolyte to allow the transport of oxygen, that is a O2 minus. Means the solid oxide fuel cell. Okay, the solid oxide fuel cell that produce the electricity, means this solid oxide fuel cell that produce the electricity. Okay, you have to know about the pencil cell. Okay, this pencil cell, it is a produce the electricity cleanly. Okay, this electricity is a cleanly and the efficiently from the reaction of the fuel, from the reaction of fuel. Okay, such as hydrogen and air, such as hydrogen and air. Okay, example like different types of the examples such as the wind energy. Okay, wind energy and the waters. Okay, wind energy, in the wind energy, therefore the air, it is useful for the formation of electricity. Okay, this electricity is a cleanly and efficiently. Okay, then the hydrogen. Okay, this reaction fuels such as the hydrogen and air. Okay, this hydrogen, it is a preparation in the water molecule. Okay, this water molecule, it is a produce the electricity. Okay, which is used the solid electrolyte to allow the transport of O2 minus, and this is used. Okay, hydrogen and air, it is used the solid electrolyte to allow the transport of O2 minus. Okay, then next is figure 5.3 with a plenty of empty space which allows an F minus ion to remove into intestinal site. Okay, this 5.3 figure you had to discuss in the intrinsic ionic conductivity in solid. Okay, in the ionic conductivity of solid, therefore you have to discuss about the crystal like structure. Okay, in this crystal like structure, okay, some F minus ions and there's some intestinal sites, it is a moving into the empty space. Okay, this shows in the 5.3 figure. Okay, then the activation energy for this process is sufficiently low. Okay, your activation energy for the fast ion conductor of oxygen ion conductors, its activation energy, this process is sufficiently low. Okay, its activation energy and this process is sufficiently low, but the compound with this structure shows the ionic conductivity. But the activation energy compound structure, it shows the ionic conductivity. Okay, this is the oxygen ion conductor. Then in the PbF2, low ionic conductivity at room temperature, which increasingly the smoothly with the temperature to a limiting value of the 500, approximate 500 s meter inverse at 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, in the PbF2 that have the low ionic conductivity, PbF2 have low ionic conductivity at the room temperature, means in this room temperature, that is about the something like 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, therefore this 30 degrees Celsius, your PbF2, it have the low ionic conductivity. PbF2 have low ionic conductivity at the room temperature, in this room temperature, therefore which increases smoothly, but your ionic conductivity, it is increases smoothly with the temperature, to a limiting value of 500 second meter inverse at the 500 degrees Celsius. Means your temperature approximate to 500 degrees Celsius, therefore your limiting value is increases and your smoothly value also increases at the 500 degrees Celsius. At 500 degrees Celsius your ionic conductivity is increases. Okay, then zirconium dioxide, it is found as the mineral badylites which are monoclinic structure. Okay, in the monoclinic structure, therefore this mineral badylite is formed, and this in this mineral badylite, therefore zirconium dioxide is formed in the mineral badylite. Okay, in the mineral badylite, therefore the zirconium dioxide, it is found as the mineral badylite. Means your zirconium dioxide, it is found the mineral badylites and it has the monoclinic structure. This mineral badylite, it has the monoclinic structure. Okay, your zirconium is a different. Okay, zirconium means that is a zirconium compound. Okay, therefore your zirconium is a different. Zirconium is a different, therefore it is a cubic fluoride. Okay, zirconium is a different, therefore it is a cubic fluoride. Okay, this is a structure of the phase diagram of pseudodopnary calcium oxide and zirconium oxide system. Okay, therefore the zirconium is a different, your zirconium is different. The cubic fluoride form of zirconium dioxide, your cubic form, okay, cubic form of this zirconium dioxide form at high temperature. Your zirconium is a different, therefore the cubic form, your cubic form of zirconium dioxide is only formed at high temperature. In the high temperature, therefore the zirconium dioxide cubic is formed. Okay, therefore this is the fast ion conductor of the oxygen ion conductor. Okay, this is the diagram, this is the graph versus, that is the calcium oxide per molecule percentage versus the temperature at the degree Celsius, and this is the phase diagram of the pseudo-binary calcium oxide and the zirconium dioxide system. Okay, therefore your cubic fluoride, it is a form zirconium dioxide and can be stabilized at the room temperature by the addition of other oxides such as yttria Y2O3 and forming a compound known as yttria stabilized zirconia, that is about the YSZ. Okay, therefore this cubic fluoride, okay, look at this diagram of the tetragonal zirconia, monoclinic zirconia, cubic zirconia and the tetragonal. Okay, this is the diagram of the zirconium. Okay, zirconium and zirconium dioxide and the calcium oxide system. Okay, in this point, therefore what is this point, that is about the cubic fluoride. Okay, your cubic fluoride form of zirconium dioxide, means zirconium dioxide, it is a formation of cubic fluoride. Okay, therefore this cubic fluoride, it is a form of zirconium dioxide, and this zirconium dioxide, it can be stabilized at room temperature. Means your zirconium dioxide, it can be stabilized, zirconium dioxide, it can be stabilized at the room temperature. In the room temperature, the zirconium is stabilized at the room temperature. The addition of other oxide such as yttria, okay, at the room temperature, therefore your zirconium dioxide, it can be stabilized. Okay, it can be stabilized at the room temperature, therefore you have to addition in the zirconium dioxide of the other oxide such as yttria. Okay, yttria you have to add into the zirconium dioxide, therefore it is forming the compound, and it is known as yttria stabilized zirconia. It is known as yttria stabilized zirconia. Okay, okay, this is the first point in this ionic conductor. Okay, therefore secondly, the calcium oxide also forms the new phase with the zirconium dioxide. Okay, therefore this is the system of the calcium oxide and the zirconium dioxide. Okay, therefore it form the new phase, okay, it form the new phase. This is the cubic zirconia and the zirconia. Okay, this is the form the new phase, and after heating at about 1600 degrees Celsius, okay, therefore it calcium oxide, it is a forms a new phase. Okay, calcium oxide, it is a forms a new phase with the zirconium dioxide after heating. Means zirconium dioxide and calcium oxide, it is after heating it about 1600 degrees Celsius. Your phase diagram is 5.11. Okay, this is the phase diagram of the calcium oxide and zirconium dioxide. It is a heating at about the 1600 degrees Celsius, and it shows about 50% molecule is percentage of CaO. Okay, in this phase diagram, therefore 15 molecule is a percentage of molecule. Okay, look at this first. This is the first point, that about in the 15 calcium oxide per molecule percentage. Therefore, 15 shows the upside plot. Okay, upside plot. Therefore, the temperature is increases. Temperature is maximally increases in the temperature is maximum in this diagram of the calcium oxide, and therefore the new phase that about the calcia stabilized zirconia at the 28. Okay, therefore, and it is also known as calcia stabilized zirconia about the 28% molecule of calcium oxide. Then the Ca2 plus ion that occupy the Zr4 plus side. Okay, therefore your calcium 2 plus ion, it occupy your zirconium 4 plus side. Your occupied is a zirconium 4 plus side, and it is a compensating the vacancy. Okay, zirconium 4 plus ion 4 plus side, it is a compensating the vacancy. And are created O2 minus sublattice, means zirconium tetra plus. Okay, therefore it is a 4 plus zirconium 4 plus oxidation state, and it is a compensating the vacancy. And creating in the O2 minus, means this compensating vacancy in the O2 minus, and it is sublattice. And every Ca2 plus ion it taken into this structure, means in this O2 minus. Therefore, every Ca2 plus ion this is into the structure, and one anion vacancy is created, means Ca2 plus ion into the structure. Therefore, one anion vacancy is created in this phase diagram. Okay, then secondly, the ionic conductivity in solid is a maximizes at relatively low concentration of the dopants. Okay, your oxygen ion conductivity that in solid maximizes, and it relatively low concentration of the dopant, and not at 50%. One might expect this is because their elastic interaction between sub ion and the vacancy is created. Okay, this is the ionic conductivity in solid of maximizes. Then the oxygen ion conductors are the scandia and the stabilized zirconia doped with the discandium tetraoxide, and the ceria doped with the gadolinium, and these solid electrolytes are rather expensive. Okay, therefore your oxygen ion conductor are scandia stabilized, and therefore this zirconia that is Zr, this zirconia it is doped with the Sc2O3, that is a discandium trioxide, and the ceria. Okay, your ceria it is a dope with the gadolinium. Ceria, that is a Ce, this ceria it is a dope with the gadolinium, and these solid electrolytes are rather expensive, means the ceria it is a dope with the gadolinium, and therefore it is a formation of the solid electrolyte, and these solid electrolytes are expensive. Okay, this is all about the fast ion conductors of the oxygen ion conductors and the solid electrolyte. Okay, next time we discuss about the fast ion conductors of the sodium ion conductors.